Alright, first graders, we've been talking about how we can find your way around. And today you guys will read about different ways you can read on a map. Okay? Alright, so there is different maps. So we saw a map of Kansas, we saw a map of the United States, we saw a globe, and right here is a treasure map. And you guys have read a story called Pizza Cat Treasure Map this week. You guys tomorrow will get to create your own map. Alright, who do you rely on to take care of you? Who do you rely on to take care of you? Remember, rely means somebody you count on. So it could be your mom, your dad, your grandma, your grandpa, your aunt, your uncle, a family friend, depending on who you're staying with. Alright, which height is taller, a bear or a mouse? Remember, height is how tall you are. So is a bear taller or a mouse? If you said bear, you're right. What models have you put together before? Remember, models are smaller versions of things. Miss Mason has put together a model of a toy car before with her daughter, and she painted it. Has anybody else done that before? Or maybe a train? Which route do you take to get to school? Remember, route means the way you go. So some of you guys might have took the middle school, from the middle school all the way down 151st to Bentley, and that's your route to school. Some of you guys live in the country, so your route could be different. What are some things that you should keep separate? Remember, separate is to keep apart. One thing that comes to my mind is keeping separate is dogs and cats, because they don't like each other. Some dogs and cats like each other, but most of the time they don't like each other, so keep them separate. Alright, you guys are going to read a story later, north, east, south, and west. And when you read, I want you guys to think about the different map features on here. So you guys will click on the link in the Google slide, and you guys will listen to this story. Remember, this is a compass. North, east, south, west. Those are all directions. Alright, you guys are going to add CH to the end of the word to make a new word. Are you ready? Pinch. What's the word? Pinch. Good job. Rin, add sh. What's the word? Wrench. Good job. Ran, add sh. What's the word? Ranch. Good job. In, add sh. What's the word? Inch. Good job. Pun, add sh. What's the word? Punch. Good job. Bran, add sh. What's the word? Branch. Good job. Alright. Remember, CH says sh, sh. TCH says sh. WH says wh. And PH says. So you guys are watching the different Jack Hartman videos that go along with those. And here you have chair. CH, chair. Sh, sh, chair. Alright, let's tap these words out. You tap them out with me. Ready? Inch. Inch. Very good. Itch. Ditch. Itch. Hitch. Itch. TCH. Itch. Hitch. Good job. Alright, let's fill in the diagraphs. Are you ready? This first one is whisk. What diagraph would go there? If you said WH, you're correct. Now we have dolphin. Dolphin. What diagraph says? If you said PH, you're correct. Alright, let's do trophy. What diagraph would go there? PH. Good job. Alright, now we have chick. Chick. What diagraph would go there? CH, you're right. Alright, let's see. So I'll say these words. Remember, you can skywrite these or write these on your table in front of you. Okay? With your finger. Alright, whip. W-H-I-P, whip. Whale, W-H-A-L-E, well. Catch, C-A-T-C-H, catch. Match, M-A-T-C-H, match. Chin, C-H-I-N, chin. Graph, G-R-A-P-H, graph. Shop, S-H-O-P, shop. Whip, W-I-T-H, whip. Many, M-A-N-Y, many. Around, A-R-O-U-N-D, around. Can you guys find the two rhyming words? You said catch and match, you're right. Good job. Alright, we're going to put these in alphabetical order. Are you ready? I'm going to start with the first letter, A. The word that starts with A. Oops, I see one. I see around, around. Good job. Okay, what comes next? A, B, C. Nope, C. Oh, yep, we have two. We have catch and chin. And look, we go to the next letter, A and H. So we're going to put catch next. And then we'll put chin, C-H-I-N, because they're both C words. Alright, the next one we're going to do. We have A, B, C, D. Nope, E, F, G. Oh, we have G. We have graph. Okay, H, I, J, K, L, M. Ooh, I've seen M. Match. Match. Oh, but we have two. Uh-oh, we have match and mini. So we have to look. We have an A and A. So the next one, T, C, H, or N. So T or N, which one goes first? It would be mini. And then we would put match. And then we put match. Okay, and N, O, P, Q, R, S. I see S. I see shop. T, nope, U, P, all W words. So now we have to figure out. We have WH, WH. So does I come before H? Let's see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So we're going to start with the H word. Okay, the WH. So we're going to go next there. I and A. So we know that whale would come next. And then whip. And then we have the last word. Whip. Alright, let's practice our sight words. This word is around. Around. You can rainbow write these sometime today. Around. By. By. Many. Many. Place. Place. Walk. Walk. Alright, good job, first graders.